Hey, ARASH here with Balance PT at the new Ryan Ranch Clinic. Just wanted to give you guys some things to think about on this topic that's been on my mind for a little while now. I'm 12 years into being a PT. I'm going to share a story with you guys, a little inside scoop into what it's like to become a PT and one of the biggest aspects. And that's the good old human anatomy cadaver lab that you have in PT school when you're in graduate school. It's a year-long course and you have dissection. So you have cadavers of all shapes and sizes, ages. When we're in this stage, and particularly for me, you got your head in the books, you're trying to get the dissection perfectly correct and trying to understand all the nitty-gritty of the anatomy. But let me tell you one thing that I've been pondering over this past year, on my 12th year, the 50,000 foot view, the big picture, that I'm coming to realize is that tissue quality is the most important thing that a human can pursue as far as setting themselves up to physically be strong in their immune system, just being, persevering through life in the highest level of quality, really, is to have good tissue quality. So what do I mean by that? When I was in these cadaver labs, we would see all these different bodies, right? And some of them were conditioned, some of them were not, some of them were old, some of them were young, some of them were athletes, some of them were not. But the thing that I'm noticing now when I think back on it is you would see bones that were stronger, you would see muscles that were bigger and just more dense. You would see tissues that just looked healthier, right? And the reason this is so important is because the tissue, when I say tissue, it could be your heart tissue, your brain tissue, your bone tissue, your muscle tissue, your eye tissue, your ear tissue. We have all types of tissue in our body. The stronger the structure of this tissue is, the anatomy of it, the function is better. So the physiology, the way that this structure works is better. So by pursuing exercise, and really, if we make this very simple, the stronger you are, the fitter you are, the more conditioned you are, the more you can handle stress under load over longer periods of time. How many push-ups can you do in a row? How many sit-ups can you do in a row? How many squats can you do in a row? How fast can you run a mile? How fast can you walk in 6 minutes? We have all these different metrics to measure how strong is somebody. And I use the word strong collectively, right? So the stronger you are, those tissues, their anatomy is stronger. And then the function, the physiology is improved. So for your brain, what does your brain do? Well, it processes things. It helps you, it's the thing that makes decisions for you. It's what gives you your senses, your sight, your taste, your smell, all these things, right? Those all become better, right? Your skin looks better, it functions better. Your heart pumps better. Your lungs, you breathe easier. You have all these different things in your body that just start to work better. So, me personally, but also me professionally as a PT, the best thing I can do is to continue to pursue on my road and my path, conditioning. Conditioning, strength and conditioning is the greatest thing that I can do. And there's so many ways to do this. And it's something that I constantly am pushing myself and being creative and getting help from other people and guidance, me as a PT. I look to my colleagues, I look to my patients at times. What are you doing? I've learned a lot of things from a lot of people. And I would just say, what is this for you? Where are you at? And what is this concept that I'm telling you? How does it resonate? Is this something that you feel is worth pursuing? Because I can tell you, as a person that pushes this myself, but also as a PT, the return is astronomical. If you pursue improving your overall tissue quality, you will have a better life. How that happens for you, I'm not sure specifically, but you will have a better life. I can guarantee you that. And there aren't many guarantees in life, and this is just one of them. We would love to guide you. We have wonderful physical therapists that want to get to know you where you are in this journey and to help guide you through that process step by step, help you process these things. Check us out on Balance PT Move. Thanks for checking this out.